Hello, my name is John from Care Plus. I'm the respiratory therapist, and today I'm going to be showing you an instructional video on how to maintain and operate your CPAP. First of all, we have our power cord and adapter. These are used to power up your unit. Be sure to connect the power cord into the AC adapter. Your color-coded power cord is user-friendly with green colors. This allows the unit to power up. Your display will illuminate. Your knob will be used to navigate through your display screen. Your power button on top will be used to turn the unit on. This will display your therapy prescribed by your doctor. The ramp button located directly next to the power is used in case you're just not able to tolerate the higher setting. Initiating this feature will decrease your pressure significantly so you are able to tolerate CPAP. Your humidity can be adjusted by turning the unit on, displaying your pressure, and looking at the bottom right-hand corner number. This number can be modified by changing the knob, ranging from 0 to 5. Most people do best around 3, so be sure you click your knob if you ever make changes. Moving on to your filters, non-disposable on the top, disposable on the bottom. By the way, these will only fit inside the unit one way. Again, it's user-friendly. Non-disposable filter on top is to be cleaned every 2 weeks with soapy cold water. Bottom filter should be replaced no later than each month. And as you can see, based on the shape, they're only designed to fit one way. And again, they'll only fit in the unit one way. Be sure to close your door. Moving on to the built-in humidifier tray or the water chamber. To access your water tray, you pull back on this latch and lift up on your lid. This will expose your chamber, which is easily removable for cleaning and maintenance. There's 3 things you want to follow on your tray. Number 1, be sure you clean it weekly with vinegar or water. Number 2, there's going to be a little bit of leftover water. I want you to dump that out every day to prevent infection. Number 3 is you don't want to overfill it. These max fill lines are here so you don't overfill it. In fact, you can follow this line here to be sure that that does not happen. Just like your filters, they're only designed to fit in the unit one way. Put it in correctly, close your lid down, click it shut for a seal. Your tubing is 15 millimeters on both fittings. So one's going to go on the unit, the other's going to go on the mask. The tubing is to also be cleaned out in conjunction with the humidifier tray. That is to be done with half and half vinegar, water. Then once you get your circuit connected to the mask, you're ready to initiate therapy. Be sure your hoses are connected properly. And also be sure to use these rubber tips as they are to be used for removing and cleaning the hose because it's very fragile. Now you are ready to begin CPAP therapy. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Give us a call at the number listed above. Have a great day.